channel. My name is Z. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. If you are into beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and also DIYs, then hey, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification bell on as well so you don't miss any uploads or new content coming from me. So today is going to be like my everyday, which is not even really everyday, like I'm just doing this for YouTube honestly, but it's like my everyday makeup routine. But it's just like a very quick, easy, natural looking makeup look honestly. And I forgot to mention too in the video that I do have on eyelash extensions. So I did not apply any eyelashes because I have on like eyelash extensions. So yeah, I forgot to mention that. But yeah, this is pretty much like it's like when I have like errands to run, or if I just want to look like more put together, this is like kind of like my go-to makeup look. So yeah, if you want to see my everyday makeup routine, then continue to keep on watching, and I will see you guys in the next upload. Okay, to start off my like everyday makeup look, which is not even everyday, y'all, because we gotta wear masks and stuff. So I haven't really been putting on too much makeup. So this is like a very natural look that I've been going for. So I will not be filling in my eyebrows at all. I stopped filling in my eyebrows. I only shave like or clean up the bottom part of my brows to kind of like give them a shape or whatever. But to start off this like everyday makeup routine, I am going to mist my face here with this e.l.f. It's like illuminating mist and set. I just recently picked this up. I haven't really been using it that much, but like I already applied my moisturizer, which is the Nivea cream. So I really like the Nivea cream because it's like very moisturizing, and my skin is like towards like the normal combination or like dry side, but then sometimes it could be oily too. I don't know, it's like all over the place. But I'm about to mist my face real quick. Next, I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Poreless Primer Putty. And I really like this primer. I haven't really been using it that much, but like it's really, really good. And I just place it like on my cheek area and my nose, pretty much. But next, I'm going to go in with this NYX Bare With Me. So it's like a tinted moisturizer. Well, it's a tinted skin veil, but it's called Bare With Me from NYX. And I just recently started using this, and I got the shade Deep Mocha. The store that I did go to, like they didn't really have too many shades. I'm not really sure what all shades they have. I do kind of want to get another one. This is kind of like on a more red side, but I'm going to apply a little bit here. And this is kind of like medium to full coverage. And I like to kind of pack this in. And it does give you like a semi like matte finish too. So this is what the tinted skin veil looks like. It is giving almost full coverage, but you know NYX is like really good in regards to like pigmentation. But like that, this Bare With Me, it's like it's giving bare, but like also to like full coverage. But depending, like if you have like a lot of dark marks, this side right here is more of like my problem side, but like it's not too bad, but it is giving like coverage, okay? So next, I'm kind of gonna do my eyebrows. Not really, like if y'all was looking for an eyebrow tutorial, this is not the video because I stopped doing my eyebrows like a long time ago. But I do like to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this one is in the shade Fawn. And I just like to go underneath my eyebrows, and that's it pretty much. because I want to go for like a more clean brow to make it look like, you know, to where I kind of look put together. So I just blend it out with this fluffy brush. I'm not even really sure. Oh, this came from like a set that I found from off of Amazon, I believe. Next, I'm gonna go in with like a color corrector. Now, I could have used like the orange LA Girl Pro Concealer, but I actually don't have another one, and I was gonna repurchase it, but then I seen these. This is from Nicka K, I believe. It's like NK Makeup, but this is their Perfection Multi-Use Concealer, and this one says, what is it? Oh yeah, Super Coverage. But I did find this like at my local beauty supply store. And I think I do have like some other shades from this as well. Yeah, I have their, it's like a darker shade that I just recently picked up like to contour with. I just wanted to test them out or whatever, but I did get the orange shade. And I have been doing this lately. Like usually I don't color correct. I don't know why, but I have been doing it lately. So I just like to take some of the orange color corrector, and I mainly just put it underneath my eyes because I am going to use concealer today. So today I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I haven't used this one like in a while as like concealer, but it's been giving me like what I've been wanting. For some reason, like I've been using the Born This Way concealer, and this one is in the shade Chestnut, but sometimes it doesn't give me like that look that I want. Now it is full coverage, but like I kind of do like to go for like a more brighter under eye type of look, so I'm going to use the LA Girl Fawn today.
Jury in a safe on arrival, just a long chase for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I was trying to have a nice night though, made her brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think this was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get your images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty sinning in the past. Don't need.
I did let my concealer sit for a little bit for the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and now I'm ready to blend it out because I actually do have to like go somewhere, so like I need to hurry up. And I gotta do my hair too, so I plan on doing like a hair tutorial like in the midst of doing all this. So like I just like to blend it out with this Real Techniques. This is the 200 brush, and it is their expert face brush, and for some reason I've been really liking this to like blend out my concealer. Like it just blends it out so good. But like I said, I let the Pro Concealer sit just for like a little bit, just so I can get like as most coverage that it can offer basically. So since it is like a cheaper concealer, it does have really good coverage, but it is more like on the thinner side as well. It's not like a cream concealer, so you do have to let it thicken up a little bit. But yeah, this is pretty much what I do here. I'm just blending it out, and I kind of use like tapping motions, and I like to blend out the edges first, and then I drag it up towards my temple area. So I'm not dragging it down, I'm just kind of focusing more so up. So I just blended out my concealer, and now I'm ready to like set real quick before my under eyes start creasing up. So I'm going to be using the Airspun powder. This one is in the shade Translucent, I believe. Yeah, it's in the shade Translucent. I really need to like buy another setting powder because the ones that I do have, like I have like 3 or 4 different setting powders, but for some reason I always go back to this Airspun powder. Like it just does it for me. And I am going to use a brush. This is like a set that I got from off of Amazon. Like these are like random brushes, but like I did find this set from off of Amazon, and it's called Emax Design. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And this is like a little big, well, like a small fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna like set this or press it into where I put my concealer at.
Presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the past? Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. What's the change foes on the team? Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, Chuck a look around. Find one to see my type. Now my dog and he knows what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet this girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes.
Next, I'm going to take the same brush that I had used to apply the NYX Bear With Me. I'm going to use this brush and kind of go over where I just set the powder, just so that it doesn't look like white or whatever with the powder, but it's going to help blend it in as well. Next, I'm going to go in with bronzer, and I've been loving, like this is my favorite part actually. So I've been really loving the Fenty Beauty bronzer here. This is in Mocha Mami. I don't know why sometimes I be saying like Cocoa Mami, whatever. But this one is in the shade Mocha Mami, and this one is so good. Like I want to get another one. I kind of want to try their blush, but like I love this one, and we're about to just like go in basically with this. I kind of use it as like a blush slash bronzer because it has like a red tint to it. And sometimes I add it onto my nose. Next, I'm going to use some blush, but it's not really blush. Like, it's just an eyeshadow, and it's from a brand called Born Beautiful Cosmetics here. And this is their Metamorphosis eyeshadow palette, but there's like a shade, it's like a pink eyeshadow shade that I really love like as a blush, and it's called Spice. But this is what it looks like. So this is it right here, and I really love this as a blush color. I've been really like into blush lately. I don't know why, maybe because it's like summertime, but like I really like it. For lips today, I'm just gonna choose to, I already applied this lip gloss. This is the Broadway. It's like those beauty supply store lip gloss, but this is like the honey one. I already applied it to my lips, but usually I would just go in with a lip gloss because I'm gonna be out, and you know we gotta wear masks anyway, so it's like I don't like my lips to feel like something smothering like my lips while I have lip gloss on. I don't know, but I'm gonna be using the NYX what is it, soft matte lip cream. This has been like my go-to like nude color, but this one is in the shade Cape Town, and I'm just gonna use this to like kind of add some color to my lips, but like I want to go for like a more natural nude lip. And I just use like a very small amount. I would go in with lip liner, but like I'm not really going to be doing too much. And I'm just going to apply some more lip gloss on.
Truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go from underground garages, presidential